Hi, myself Manjur. Today I am explaining about the customer review process. Today my topic I am introducing about this in field of data analysis and machine learning, handling unstructured data such as customer reviews as a critical task. Reviews often contain valuable and insight, but they are typically cluttered with unnecessary words, making text processing and necessary steps before an meaningful analysis and performed. This project is present by the Python program designed by the automatic the initialization phases of the text, processing the program, accepting the raw customer's review as an input, tokenized the text into individual words, filters out comma stops words to retain meaningful content, and then intelligently selects as approach data structure based on the further operational needs. The distinction between using a tuple and list is cruel. A list allows a flexible enabling for further edits such as synonyms, replacements, stemmings, and rich enrichment of data. A tuple ensures the data integrity by the preventing accidental or unauthorized change, making it suitable in the case of review of containing the remaining unchanges after processing. By combining string manipulation techniques by here with the dynamic data structure and selection, the program demonstrate practical application of a core Python concepts. It emphasized the importance of choosing a correct data structure based on the natural and the task, an essential skill of software development, data science, and natural language processing, called as NPL. Overall, the assignment bridged the gap of between the theoretical knowledge of data structures and their practical use in the real-world applications, providing a strong fund foundation for us further study in the text analytics and intelligence system.
I am Dhruva BS. I am explaining problem statement. The goal of the assignment is to develop a Python program that processes a customer review by utilizing various string manipulation techniques to analyze and prepare the data for further processing. The program needs to handle operations like tokenization, stop word removal, and dynamic data structure selection to suit the task equipments. Tokenization, the review next is split into a smaller manageable parts, typically individual words, to simplify subsequent analysis. Stop word removal, common non-informative word are removed to retain only meaningful content from the review. Dynamic data structure choice, depending on the nature of the task at hand, the program should choose between a list or a tuple to store the processed words. If the data needs to be modified further, a list should be used as a mutable. If the data is be stored securely within any modification, a tuple should be chosen. It's immutable. This this program not only facilitates the processing of a textual data but also demonstrates the importance of choosing the correct data structure based on the task requirements. The challenge lies in ensuring that the correct decision is made dynamically to balance performance and the flexibility of operations. The program simulates a real world scenario where customer feedback is processed and prepared for further analysis, such as sentiment analysis or product improvement. By applying a string manipulation techniques and understanding the role of data structure selection, this project address an essential part of working with unstructured data in fields like natural language processing NL.
My name is Rahul. I am going to explain the implementation of our project. This program is designed to be process customer review using fundamental string manipulation techniques while demonstrating the practical use of mutable list and the immutable tuple data structures. Steps followed. First, step one, accept user input. The program begins by the promoting the users to enter a customer review free text. Step two, tokenize the review. The input string is converted to the lowercase and broken into individual words using regular expressions. Step 3, remove stop words. Common stop words, example, the, is, and was are filtered out using a predefined set. Step 4, ask the user if they plan to modify the data. The user is asked whether they need to perform operations like streaming or syno- synonym replacement. Step 5, choose appropriate data structure. If modification is needed, the program stores the process to word in a list for mutability. If no modification is needed, the program stores the data in a tuple for immutability. Step 6, display processed word like justifications and the original review. Cleaned data and the chosen data structure are displayed with a clear expression. Flowchart, start, input, customer review, tokenize the review into words, remove stop words. Flowchart in the tambarle. Flowchart, start, input, customer review, tokenize the review into the words, remove stop words. If is modification needed, if yes, store a list. If no, store a tuple. Display processed word and justification. Justification for data structure selection. The choice between list and tuple in the program is driven by the nature of the operations performed by the process review data. Here is the relational list mutable data. When it is used, the program uses a list when the user indicates they plan to perform modification on data such as streaming, synop, synonym represent or reordering. Why it is appropriate, list in Python are mutable, allowing changes to be made in the place without creating new copies. This makes them ideal for the task involving transformation or processing of words after the initial cleaning step. Benefits, supports items, example word 2 is equals to awesome, allows operations like append, dot remove or replacing synonyms, efficient for iterative word modification. Tuple, immutable data structures. When it is used, the program uses a tuple when no modifications are needed, meaning the user only wants to store or analyze the cleaned data without changing it. Why it is appropriate? Tuples are immutable, which means once the data is stored, it cannot be accidentally altered. This provides data safety, integrity, and is slightly more memory efficient than list. Benefits, prevent intended changes to the data, slightly faster and user less memory, suitable for passing around in secure or read only context.
My name is Arsha PL. Today I'm going to explain our code, program code. This is our program code. You can see on the screen. This is our program code about customer review. I'm going to explain our program code in detail. First step we have to do stop word and tokenization. Stop word and tokenization means converts all the text into lowercase and removes the common punctuations and splits the reviews into individual words safe, like example, like a text like this product is amazing means it will remove all the unimportant or a common punctuation, this product is amazing, all this into lowercase. Next step is to remove the stop words. Remove the stop words means filters out common or unimportant words. Next step is to, like example, this product is amazing means it will separate in the column that separates the punctuation like product amazing. Next step is to processing with or modification. If the modification is required, needed, it will use the list as a mutable and perform the simply streaming and removes the string like or end or ing words from the words. If no modification is required, it uses a tuple or immutable for safety. The main function it works like example. Like example, you have taken a output like enter a customer review. This product is good, but a delivery we can delay. Will you perfect modification if a stream or a synopsis like replace yes or no, or original review like this product is great, but delivery was delayed. After processing the words it will convert all into lowercase like product great or delivery delays. It removes all the unimportant or punctuation from the sentence. Like example to the product is get but a delivery is will be performed modification if the stream or synopsis replaced yes or no, like original review like this product is great but delivery will be delayed. The and the output will be given like a product great and delivery delay. It will remove all the punctuations and separates all the product into uppercase to lower text in punctuations. Thank you.
Explaining about the conclusion in this assignment, we help to understanding the practical difference between the list and tuples in Python program. In this program, we have learned the list, beginning the mutable or the ideas and the synonyms which they are data needs modify, such as applying the stemming or replacing the synonyms. On this other handle, tuples be immutable or better suicide for a secure storage when the process data should be remain unchanged. Additionally, we developed the deeper understanding the string manipulation technique like tokenized or stop word removal, which are essential in the real world text processing in such as the sentiment analysis and the keyword extract. Overall, this project enhanced our skill and making the strategic decision about the data structures based on the specific requirements of this program. Thank you.